Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about the option pricing. Options are totally separate entities to the underlying asset from which they derived, but they have a value that can be split into two parts. First is intrinsic value and second is time value. So the option price is equal to intrinsic value plus time value. Intrinsic value of an option is based on the positive difference between the option strike price and the current price, that is spot price, of the underlying share. A call option has intrinsic value if the spot price is greater than the strike price, and a put option has intrinsic value if the spot price is less than the strike price. An option contract cannot have a negative intrinsic value. If the spot price is less than the strike price of a call option, its value will be 0 instead of negative. In our last example, if the strike price of the call option was $65 and if the spot price is $70, the intrinsic value of the option contract is 70 minus 65 is equal to $5. And the $5 represents the value of the call option, means it is the amount that can be realized if the contract is to be exercised. Time value of an option is the difference between its premium and its intrinsic value. Both call and puts have only time value. As the name suggests, it is based on the amount of time the option contract has left before it expires. The longer the time to expiration, the greater is an option's time value. It decreases the closer a contract gets to expiry. So, on expiration date, there is no time value and the entire premium is made of intrinsic value. So the call option time value is call premium minus call intrinsic value, and put option time value is equal to put premium minus intrinsic value. We will take an example to understand this. Suppose a call strike price is 50 and the shares price, that is the spot price, is 55 and call premium is $6. The time of expiration is 1 month. Intrinsic value of call will be spot price minus strike price is equal to 55 minus 50 is equal to $5. And the time value of call is equal to call premium minus call intrinsic value. Call premium is $6 and call intrinsic value is $5. So the time value of call will be $1. Similarly, if put strike price is 50, stock's current price is 45 and put premium is $6, put's intrinsic value will be strike price minus spot price is equal to 50 minus 45 is equal to $5. And put's time value will be put's premium minus put's intrinsic value, that is 6 minus 5 is equal to $1. There are three terms associated with options: in the money, out of money and at the money. An call option is in the money if the contract has intrinsic value and share price is greater than the strike price. An option is at the money if the strike price is equal to the spot price. And an option is out of the money if the share price is less than the strike price of an option. In case of put options, the terms are opposite to that of a call option. This was all about the option pricing. Thanks for watching the lecture.